Top 5 Ways to Make Money Online. If you're looking for a side hustle or a new business idea, you may have thought about ways to make money online. When you know what you're doing, making money online is pretty straightforward. You can do it full-time or part-time right from the comfort of your home. Who wouldn't want to work in their pajamas and pull in some extra cash? So in this video you will learn 5 ways of making money online. Dropshipping. Dropshipping can be a simple and profitable business model. You don't have to pay for storing your inventory, instead you act as the go-between. Find suppliers online who will sell you products wholesale, then mark it up and earn a profit for yourself. From computers and clothing to jewelry and health food, there are thousands of suppliers who can provide you with your inventory. When you do this, you will need to have an website and/or e-commerce storefront of your own to market and sell the products. Build websites. Today, every business needs a website. There is a huge market for web designers, and these days, you don't even need to know how to code in order to build a site. Using a service like MailChimp, you can easily build a website that looks sleek and professional. If you're building a website from scratch, you can even buy a domain through MailChimp that aligns with a particular topic or business. Just keep in mind that it's best to pick a niche before you start creating websites. Put together a nice portfolio of the website that you have created, then get out there and market yourself. Publish an ebook. Producing an ebook can be ridiculously cheap and, often, completely free, and selling your own ebook can net you anything from several pounds a day to almost nothing. Choose a popular topic or write about something you're interested in. Choose a platform and publish your book. To generate sales for your ebook, focus on marketing tactics that are proven to attract customers. For example, you can give the first few copies of your book away for free. This helps you create buzz on social media and get some reviews, which helps you gain customers via social proof. Other effective strategies for promoting your ebook include influencer marketing and video campaigns. Trading. Trading is the buying and selling of securities, such as stocks, bonds, currencies, and commodities, as opposed to investing, which suggests a buy and hold strategy. Trading success depends on a trader's ability to be profitable over time. Successful day trading requires a combination of knowledge, skills, and traits as well as a commitment to a lifestyle. Are you adept with mathematical analysis, full of financial knowledge, aware of behavioral psychology? Then that's for you. As a good trader, you can make thousands of dollars per day. You can find courses that will teach you the basics of trading or join a trading masterclass with the link down below the video. Also, you can find here other useful materials that will help you to make your first million online. SMM. Social media marketing, SMM, also known as digital marketing and e-marketing, is the use of social media, the platforms on which users build social networks and share information, to build a company's brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. In addition to providing companies with a way to engage with existing customers and reach new ones, social media marketing, SMM has purpose-built data analytics that allow marketers to track the success of their efforts and identify even more ways to engage. So hoping that you found the best way for you, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to see more money-making videos and more. And also don't forget to check links below the video. Thanks for watching.